Did you know that lemons have been used as a healing agent for centuries? Our journey through the historical healing power of lemons begins in the rough and tumble world of the 18th century sailor. Picture this. You're aboard a creaking wooden ship, the salty sea air in your lungs miles from land. But there's a silent enemy aboard, scurvy. This dreaded disease was the bane of sailors, caused by a deficiency of vitamin C, leading to weakness, anemia, gum disease, and hemorrhages. In comes our hero, the humble lemon. With its high vitamin C content, lemons were a beacon of hope in a sea of despair. A daily ration of lemon juice was introduced into the sailor's diet, and miraculously, the prevalence of scurvy began to decline. This small, vibrant fruit had triumphed where many other remedies had failed, effectively becoming a lifesaver at sea and marking one of the earliest recorded uses of lemons as a healing agent. But the healing power of lemons didn't stop there. Fast forward a few centuries and shift your gaze to ancient India, where the age-old practice of Ayurvedic medicine embraced the lemon for its phenomenal health benefits. Revered for its detoxifying properties, lemons were used to cleanse the body, eliminate toxins, and purify the blood. But the magic of lemons was not just skin deep. In the Ayurvedic tradition, health was all about balance, and lemons played a key role in maintaining this equilibrium. The sour taste of lemon was believed to aid digestion, stimulate the metabolism, and most importantly, balance the body's pH levels. Despite its acidic taste, once metabolized, lemon produces alkaline byproducts, helping to maintain a healthy pH balance in the body. So from the open seas to the ancient landscapes of India, the lemon has weaved its way into the fabric of human health history. These early uses of lemons laid the foundation for the understanding of their health benefits that we have today. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature and a reminder that sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. Fast forward to the 21st century, and lemons are still considered a superfood. In our modern world, lemons continue to offer a multitude of health benefits, backed by ever-evolving scientific research. The bright yellow fruit is much more than a tangy addition to our culinary delights. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that supports our well-being in surprising ways. Let's start with our immune system, our body's defense mechanism. Packed with vitamin C, lemons can give our immune system a much-needed boost. Vitamin C is known for its immune-strengthening abilities, helping us fight off common colds and flu. It's also vital for the production of white blood cells, the warriors in our body that combat infections. So the next time you feel a sniffle coming on, remember to reach for a lemon. Now let's talk digestion. Lemons are popularly used in detox diets, but did you know they can aid in regular digestion as well? The citrusy fruit stimulates the liver to produce more bile, an essential substance that helps in the digestion of fats. Plus, the high fiber content in lemons promotes a healthy gut and prevents constipation. So, a glass of warm lemon water in the morning could be just what your digestive system needs to kickstart the day. When it comes to skin health, lemons are a beauty enthusiast's best friend. The vitamin C in lemons plays a crucial role in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that keeps our skin firm and wrinkle-free. Not to mention, the antioxidants in lemons combat free radicals, preventing skin damage and premature aging. But the benefits of lemons don't stop there. Lemons are rich in flavonoids, compounds that are believed to have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. They help our body neutralize harmful free radicals and can potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. With all these benefits bundled into a small, zesty package, it's no wonder lemons have stood the test of time as a cherished superfood. From boosting our immunity and aiding digestion to improving our skin and potentially fighting cancer, lemons are truly a gift of nature. It's clear that the humble lemon packs a powerful health punch. So, what have we learned about the healing wonders of lemons? Quite a lot, it turns out. We've journeyed back in time, discovering how lemons were historically revered for their healing properties. From treating scurvy among sailors to its use in ancient Ayurvedic medicine, lemons have been championing health for centuries. Fast forward to modern times, we've seen that these citrus marvels continue to impress us with their health benefits. Packed with vitamin C, they boost our immune system and rejuvenate skin. They aid in digestion, act as a detoxifying agent, and even help to shed those extra pounds. A lemon isn't just a fruit. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's a little yellow miracle that's both a preventative and a cure. So the next time you see a lemon, remember its incredible journey through history and its undying legacy of health. Remember, when life gives you lemons, you've got a powerful tool for better health. Be sure to subscribe for more health tips and like and share the video. Be sure to check out our next video, The Healing Wonders of Eggs.